Welcome. We're going to be taking you through how to implement save and resume in your React-based OpenUX Transact forms. It's actually very simple to initiate a save or a resume from the user's perspective on the form. The first thing you'll need is to define your save, cancel, and submit successes in your page controller. You can watch the page controller example video for adding new pages to your form. From there, you'll need to import the Transact OpenUX React libraries, specifically Transact Consumer. Transact Consumer is the library that governs the use of save and resume. In order to initiate a save, you'll want to export a default function called save button, or whatever your name is. But in this example, we're exporting the save button to make a call stating that this is a user-initiated save, and we're going to get our form API key. What the form API key is the randomly generated key for that user's specific form. So when you save this, you'll want to have the confirmation page actually display that value that's returned from Transact, because that's the way that the user can log back into their partially completed form. And you'll see that down here in the resume button. This you would put on your landing page to say, hey, if you've already started this, do you want to resume where you left off? And on this, you'll need to have a form field that will have their form API, and then you'll submit that form API when you load the form. What will happen in the background is Transact will recognize that that form is partially completed, pull the existing data out of Transact Manager, and populate the form up to the point where the user left off, and that's where the form will begin again. So as you can see, implementing save and resume is a two-stage process. You'll need to have the appropriate buttons embedded, most likely on your landing page, that tells the user that they can save and resume. Also, in the default application, you'll see that we've initiated them as a drop-down menu. You can do whatever makes sense for your user experience. Hopefully this video has been helpful in showing you the code required to implement the save and resume functionality within your Transact form.